Morning, everyone. It's Thursday, and as you know, Thursdays is claim days. This is video 522. It's your pre-opening comment, and I remind you to hit that subscribe button. Okay, there's nothing going on. I mean, the COVID news, New York closing its schools, um, and that is only of import because it's the largest. There are actually 32 other states that have also already closed down their schools for attendance. So claims for the first time in a while were actually up on the initial claims, 742,000. That's a 42,000 increase. Continuing claims came down a little further, 6.372, so 6,372,000, and that was down from 6.8. Um, it's all COVID. Um, I mean, it's incredibly bad numbers, and market just seems to shrug it off. The futures are down about 30 in the Dow and about 25 in the Nasdaq. S&P is down about 5. So carryover from last night, we have Sonos, which reported tremendous earnings and growth, and it traded as high as 21 and a quarter. Right now, it's 20 and a quarter. That's up 316 or 19%. Nvidia is not quite as bad as it was last night. It's down about 8 now. It was down about 18 last night. L Brands, a surprise move to profit. And the stock, which has gotten beaten up pretty badly, is 39.30, and that's up 569 or 17%. UAL said that it is seeing a slowdown in bookings and, in fact, a bunch of cancellations. It doesn't really seem to be hurting the stock. It's basically unchanged up or down a nickel. Candy, KNDI. Texas, this stock has gone from 580 to 13 and a half. And today it's up about 14% on the news that Texas has reinstituted a $2,500 rebate on electric vehicles. Candy does not seem to be I couldn't find anything that discussed their electric vehicles, but I guess it's there. On the electric vehicle side, we have CIIC, which is CII, and it's going to change its name to Arrival, and the symbol will be ARVL, and it's just what we needed. Yet another EV company, with basically a startup. The stock moved yesterday from just a little over 10 to 13.36. And that was up just under $3. And after that, in late trading, extended hours, it got as high as 16.90. Right now, it's trading at 15, up $2.61. DraftKings, big run to 64, big pullback to 35, currently around 50. I don't know which way this one's going to go. Obviously, betting is here to stay, but with COVID and cancellation or postponement of sporting events, this company has a fair amount of headline risk. And there's another little one here, DNK. Can't remember the name offhand, but it has gone from $1.32 to $5.29. I've seen it all over the tape this morning at 4.33, which is about unchanged, but $1.32 to $5.29 in 3 trading days is pretty quick. And Muddy Waters, which is a short firm, had a release on a company, Joy, Joyy. The symbol is YY. The stock recently has gone from 108 to 70.30, and that was in basically 5 days, and has come back after the Muddy Waters report that said that they felt that the company was a complete fraud, that it has its own bots. This is kind of a multi-level marketing sort of deal. And Muddy Waters claims that it's about, as I said, about 90% fraud, and that there are bots that they actually control who are trading amongst themselves. This is a gift giving company. So they're talking about these bots trading things in between each other, and basically both sides get to report, revenue and sales. So that one is, as I said, 86.14. It's a bounce up of 10.48 from yesterday's low of about 70. Okay, so futures are not doing anything of substance other than what I already told you. So let's get rolling here. And by the way, we bought the expiring tomorrow BABA calls. If we don't start to see a move early, I will toss those. Have a good day.